Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video. And for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, log into your Coinbase account, and once you're logged into your account, click on the investment tab, which is right at the bottom, and on the other interface you have to click on the Bitcoin option, which is right on top. And once you're on this page, you have to tap on enable sending and receiving option, and now click on send Bitcoin option. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and once you're done entering it, tap on send, which is right at the bottom. On this page you have to enter the wallet address of the recipient. Since we are transferring it to Coinbase account, so you have to paste the wallet address of Coinbase, and once you're done entering the wallet address, tap on done, which is right on top. And next interface you have to review the wallet address, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. Now you have successfully sent Bitcoin to your Coinbase account. So that is how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.